Alright, sir. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me. Alright, today I'm doing my first video on location at my farm, and so far so good. This is how my brother looks like, and right now I'm having 2 weeks old kuroiler chickens, as you can see. And this is the beauty of a broiler chicken, as a farmer. When I see my flocks are very healthy, very active, and by the way, that's what really inspires me. So I really appreciate the love and support from my fellow friends, my fellow colleagues, and this goes to my clients who have been really finding a client who could trust in you, finding friends who could trust in what you are doing. It's not easy. So I just really appreciate everyone who really supports me in terms of marketing. I have a friend who has been with me and who has been trying at least to be in my position, at least to market for my products. So I really appreciate the love and support from my fellow friends and fellow colleagues. So you can reach me at 0755 90 43 41, or you can DM me on WhatsApp at 0111 30 35 11, and that's my contact number. You can call me, you can text me. At least we share experiences. We all come up, or we all have that passion, at least to learn from one another. You may learn from me, I may learn from you, at least to have that an agricultural value chain, at least to experience difference and also to learn from each other. So I'm so grateful, and I'm so grateful. And this is my first video that I'm doing. And if you're watching for the first time, I'm Victor Chidire, the CEO and founder at Agro Farms Limited. And Agro Farms is just a poultry farm. We are located at Mumias, Kakamega County, and specifically the village is Buhuru, and that's all. And this is what I'm doing. So I really appreciate. You can subscribe, you can share, and you can have the beauty of everything.